Hello, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful day. We are here with our program where we have this functioning fairly well. We type in the names in the program and it works great, pretty good. Divides people up into teams. I like it. But there's something that I want to show you that helps people who don't know how to program so that they might be able to use this program. If you just gave this to somebody and said, oh, look, this helps you do the teams, they would look at this and they wouldn't know anything. They wouldn't know how to change these names. So what we're going to do is we're going to give them a way that they can access this. And one thing that everyone should be able to do is type names into a text file. So if I come up here in Trinket and click on this add file here, it says it creates a text file. Let's call this names. I can spell names, and then .txt. And now I'm going to hit enter. Notice how this first one, it says main.py. That py stands for a Python file. So over here, we have a Python file. Over here, we have a text file. They're just a different type of file. So now what we want to do is we want to just list all the names here. Let's say Hopper, Joyce, Will, Mike, Dustin, Lucas, Nancy, Jonathan. I think that's probably good. So now we have these here. If I click on the main type of file, I'm going to erase my people line. So we're going to act like that's not even there. So what I want to do is I'm going to first read the file that we just created, the names.txt. So, or txt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this file. And when I say open, it knows what open means in Python. That's a word it knows. And we have to give it the name of the file first. So names.txt. And now the next thing we have to do is tell it what we want to do. And when we put R in quotes, it knows that that means we're going to read the file. Read means it's just going to see it and look and see what's on that file. So what we want to do is we want to read it. We want to look and see what's there. And now the next thing we want to do is we're going to look at people, and we're going to say file.read to read it. And since we have a different line for each name, I'm going to say split lines, open and close parentheses. So there's two sets of open and close parentheses after file.read, open and close, and then .split lines, open and close. All right, so now we have it here. And now when we run our program, you can see that it is taking the file names from here. And now if I want to erase one, say I want Jonathan out of here, I can come here, and now Jonathan won't appear there. Or if I want to add one, I can come in and add Jonathan back in. We could add Steve in too. And I can, once it's there, I can come over here, and then we have our program that's functioning.